Il-Ministru Konrad Mizzi jista' jistaħba imma fl-aħħar mill-aħħar mhux ser nexxielu jibqa' jaħrab għal dejjem. Dan qalitu l-MP tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Roberta Metsola waqt id-dibattitu fil-Parlament Ewropew wara li ġie ppreżentat ir-rapport tad-delegazzjoni li ġiet Malta f'Settembru li għadda biex tinvestiga s-saltna ta' dritt. L-MP Metsola kienet membru ta' din id-delegazzjoni.
We also underline that disgraced Minister Konrad Mizzi, who remains the only EU minister to be exposed by the Panama Papers and remains in power, refused to meet the delegation and ran away from our questions on the new links that were uncovered between himself, a Dubai-based company called 17 Black, and the operators behind the enormous power station project pushed through by Minister Mizzi.
Fid-diskors tagħha l-MP Metsola fakret illi meta inqatlet Daphne Caruana Galizia kienet qed tinvestiga politiċi tal-gvern illi llum għadhom fil-poter.
400 days have now elapsed since the vile assassination of journalist Daphne Caruana Galizia on a quiet Malta road outside her home. At the time of her killing, she was working on some of the most significant anti-corruption investigations into government politicians that we have seen in a generation. The politicians she was looking into remain at the highest rungs of the government.
Ir-rapport tal-MPs illi fost l-oħrajn jinsisti li l-inkjesta Egrant għandha tiġi pubblikata b'mod sħiħ u li għandha tiġi pubblikata lista ta' kull min jixtieq ċittadinanza Maltija ġiet preżentata mill-MP Olandiża